What's up everyone, it's me Mac Merlin at the PDX KBC Meetup once again. I just finished my Twitch stream over at Mr. Petrov's house. I built a hot dogs by Alpaca Keyboards and I'm here now. So let's check out what everyone else has on the table. So what keyboards did Mac Merlin bring? Well, number one, I brought my Clueboard Hot Swap, the Clueboard Low Profile, the Hadron Rev 3, which is actually the first keyboard with haptic feedback. And last but not the least, I brought a, what did I bring? I think I brought I'm forgetting, I brought 4 keyboards, but I can't remember what the last one is. I can't believe I forgot. It's actually the hot dogs that I just built. Oh my gosh.
Hey, I'm Hottie. I go by Hottie Potter on Reddit. Mac Merlin, a good friend of mine, asked me to talk about these boards I designed. So yeah, Alice layout, QMK compatible, hot swap, gasket mounted acrylic boards. So that's about it. It was about 3 months of work, just to give you a sense, but I'm really stoked. I love this keyboard. Would highly recommend people take up design too if they're interested in the hobby. Thanks.
So my name is Abraham, and this is my keyboard. It is a Cherry MX 8100 with Cherry MX Browns in it, and I personally like it because I like the tactile feeling and the amount of tactility that the Cherry MX Browns have is just perfect for me. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Hi, my name is Chris Moody. I am Corbin Dallas on Reddit. This is my 80K64 made by Red Is Not Dead. So this has white dampened Alps with FR4 plates. They were ultrasonic clean, and I love it. I really wanted an Alps board. I ran into an AUK2 and tore it apart and put all the parts in this, so now I have a lovely Alps board.
So my favorite boards so far are the ADK64 that Corbin Dallas brought, and also the Brutal 60 by Upas, which at first I wasn't so sure about, like looking at the photo, it was just meh, but seeing it in person, I really wish I had gotten in on the group buy. So those are my 2 favorite keyboards of the meetup. Alright, I think it's about time for me to head out. I have a long drive up to Seattle. It takes from Portland to Seattle. It averages about 3 hours, 3.5 hours when you're slow. I think the meetup ends at 8. So 3 hours, I'll get home by 11. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So until then, hope you guys check out the rest of my videos on YouTube and on Twitch. And yeah, hope I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye now.